Hi. So, last thing we have done with Pygame in Pygame book series here, we were where I printed this image here. So now let me go here and just to okay. Let me save this one. Man one. There it is. Uh, Instead, let's call it load image. Let me make it more name player man one. Name, see if it, and then X and Y. So, okay, we got this, and now we wanted to animate it. So when we press, let me see, when we press here, the color changes. Now instead of changing the color, so if mouse presses screen color, etc. Okay, now we want to make, so yeah. So thank you. That was everything for the moment, and see you in the sixth episode of this series, and we will see how to move actually our sprite. Thank you. See you next time.